Our world is getting more and more densely populated. By 2050, there'll be nearly 10 billion people on our planet. And agricultural demand is predicted to rise by 70%. What's more, countries all over the world are struggling with the consequences of climate change. Drought and high salt levels in soils, caused by poor irrigation practices, are wreaking havoc on crop yields. This situation is getting worse. Elevated salt concentrations are projected to affect more than 50% of all arable lands in the next 30 years. Long-term food insecurity is on everyone's minds. So how will we ensure that every human alive gets the food they need? One solution might be hardy crops that flourish despite rough conditions. These crops may offer the world's populations a crucial answer to impending food shortages. Plants use light, water, and CO2 to provide us with the food via photosynthesis, which is conducted by machinery inside chloroplasts within their cells. But photosynthesis is disrupted when plants encounter drought or salt-affected soil. As a result, the chloroplasts make toxins and the plant dies. Scientists at the University of Oxford are investigating a new gene called SP1 that can help make plants less stressed in adverse conditions. The SP1 gene temporarily regulates the photosynthetic mechanism in plants and thus stops so many toxins being produced. The scientists have tested the system in a common model plant, but plan to engineer resilient versions of staple crops. Super strong varieties of wheat, rice, tomatoes, and brassica could withstand harsh environmental effects, staying green when stressed, and providing a reliable, nutritious harvest for future generations. For more fascinating science, go to our website, subscribe to our channel, and like us on social media.